Well, under the current configuration we have of a president that has defied his own oath of office and a Democrat majority in the Senate that believes that destroying the rule of law and granting amnesty is a good idea, I think the best thing that the House can do is not to move any legislation, because it's likely to end up in something that will destroy the rule of law forever, at least with regard to immigration. And that is an essential pillar of American exceptionalism. It's too important to trade it off for political favors, but that is what Democrats are preparing to do, and that's what too many Republicans are seeking to do also. And they will not have that debate down to the fundamental structure of what happens to from this point forward. If something is passed along the lines of the Gang of AIDS bill in the Senate, how do they then ever restore the law again? Or are they willing to concede that the only people that would not be able to establish immigration law in the United States would be Americans? Because hereafter, if the Gang of AIDS bill is passed, that means that anybody that could get into America thereafter would get to stay. And you just cannot be a sovereign nation with that kind of a policy.
I understand. Where do you believe the House is headed on immigration?
I think that it's House leadership has charted an uncertain path, and yet the dialogue on this began the morning after the election, so it started November 7th of 2012, and some establishment thinkers within the Republican Party decided that the presidential election was about immigration. I don't remember a single exchange between Barack Obama and Mitt Romney on immigration, not one. And the election was about jobs and the economy and not much of anything else, not even Benghazi in a significant way. Yet the people that had this agenda for open borders decided they were going to change the narrative and make it about immigration. So now Republicans have gone along with this, in fact perpetrated some of it, and if you turn the pages on the calendar, one page per month, before we could get to any kind of conclusion on immigration, it will be a full year of debating immigration. And I think that's a foolish strategy politically, and it's a foolish step to take from a policy perspective.